Hey, so just a quick sidebar and an extra example for you on function overloading. Now in the lesson on structs, I had this example where we had this vector 2D or 3D, so to keep track of our position or our character position in a world, for example. Let's say we are writing some game and we want to keep track of our character. And so here I have player stats as well, struct player stats. I just have a couple of variables, and then I have vector 2D location, which will of course keep track of our player location in the world. Then I have two functions here, set location and get location. And then I can go and use those in the main function. Now, alright, let's say with the set location, we can go and overload this. Okay, let's say instead of passing into floats like this, we can simply pass in a vector 2D that already contains all of that information. I'll actually just copy that over. So this one takes in a vector 2D, which I'll just call vec. And so we access what we have passed in here. Vec is a vector 2D, so we do vec.x and vec.y to access those members that we pass in. So I have now overloaded the setLocation function. Back in main, I have player stats player 1, so I have an instance of player stats. Here we can do setLocation like this. That's one way of doing it. Then we can print it, maybe print it out like something like that. I'll actually just copy that line here. Okay, so we have a new vector 2D called new location, and I'm going to initialize it. Then I'm going to use setLocation, and I'm going to pass in that new location variable. This new location is now an object or an instance of vector 2D, so we can use it like a variable, right? So we pass it in just like this into the setLocation function. Print it out again. So we get 5 and 3 as we would expect, because initially this is this first version with the two parameters. Okay, so that we pass in 5 and 45, whereas here we pass in new location, which has 3 and 7. Alright, so just a bonus demonstration for you. I hope you found this interesting, and I'll see you in the next video.